Hey YouTube, Garage Race here, back at it again. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to reset or take off your maintenance required light on a 2006 Toyota Corolla. This will work between the 2002 all the way to the early 2007s. Very simple. If you have this, basically this dashboard right here, what you got to do is turn off your car, and as you can see, that's the light right there. Have your odometer here in the odometer section, not in the trip. So by pressing this button, you can see you have trip A, trip B, and then odometer. So just have it in odometer. Once you have it there, you're gonna turn off your car, to switch, turn the switch back. Press and hold this button, and as you do, then you're gonna turn to the on position on your switch, and you're gonna hold it in, and you're gonna see some dashes here go by, and then the light is gonna flash. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna put my phone on my lap real quick and do it real quick. So I'm gonna hold this, come here and turn that to the on position and hold it in. You hear the beeping, the dash is going by, zeros, and the light went out. That's it. You can let go now. Turn off the car, turn it back off, and then turn on the car, and voila, there's no maintenance required light. So hopefully this video helped you guys. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Check out the Toyota playlist. You can see other repairs for your Toyota vehicles. Bye-bye.